So we've got a nice Defender 110 in with us at the moment. We've just done a few upgrades. We're starting to do quite a number of sort of offerings for the new Defender range, which we will be publicising soon on our website. But this particular vehicle has just come in for our Pedal Pro upgrade. So if you're feeling that your Defender is feeling a little bit lethargic on the actual take-up when you're putting your foot down to accelerate, and you feel like there's a bit of a pause before anything really happens, then we can eradicate that with our new Pedal Pro, which also is app control, so you can actually turn this on and off. It has an ability for urban, sport and race mode, and then you can do a customization as well. So if you are interested in this, we do have another Defender demo with this on, so be very gladly if you wanted to pop down to have a go in our Defender and see what the difference is. But the main reason for this video is that we've done a customization for the customer with the seat belts in here. So he's going to be doing some further upgrades within this vehicle, but wanted to brighten up the interior. And it's a very sort of cost-effective way to even just obviously spruce up the interior of your Defender, just by adding different coloured seat belts. So you can obviously sort of see here what we've done obviously with the yellow ones in here, and they all conform to the full conformity for safety standards with these seat belts. Unlike some that are available, these conform to everything that should be done for safety standards. There's no need to worry there. But as you can see, that's quite a nice sort of a addition to the vehicle. We also offer various trimming upgrades with our other company we have, which is TTW Auto Trim. So, and I say we will be looking at doing various options and upgrades for these particular vehicles. So if you are interested, then please just get in touch, give us a call on 01159 599 995.